Hi everyone. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fetch your auth ID and client ID from LinkedIn and put it in Tiger dashboard so that your users can log in on your platform using the LinkedIn accounts. So before moving forward, we first need to search LinkedIn developer on Google. After searching on LinkedIn developer, the very first result, developers LinkedIn. So as you can see, I'm already signed in, so I don't need to sign in, but if you're not, you have to sign in with your account which you have on LinkedIn. Now you just need to click on create app. After clicking on create app, these fields will pop up. You just need to fill these fields. So let's suppose app name is soccer field, LinkedIn page. So this is something new which LinkedIn just have incorporated. So you need to create a page in order to proceed ahead. So it's quite simple. You just need to, if you have a page, just put the URL here. If you don't, just click on create a new LinkedIn page. After creating a new LinkedIn page, you should select your business type. I mean, if it's small business, medium to large, showcase page, educational institution. So whatever it is, just select it and fill all the desired details. It's as simple as that. So for this demo purpose, I have already created a page. So I'm just going to copy the URL of my LinkedIn page here. I need to put in my privacy policy URL. So I have put in my privacy policy URL. Then I have to upload a logo for my app. So I'm selecting this logo. After that, just click on legal agreement that you have read and agree to LinkedIn terms. Now click on create app. So this field will pop up. Just check that all the information you have put in is correct. So privacy policy is correct and the logo is okay. Now I have to go to auth section. In auth section, there is a field where you have to put in authorized redirect URL for your app. So add redirect URL. So to add a redirect URL, what you have to do is you have to copy your website URL and then place and then paste or type this address with your website URL like this. So just pause your video and have a good look at what I have just done. So people slash auth slash LinkedIn slash callback is something which is going to be put in after your website URL. Now you just need to click on update. So it's submitted. Now you have to go to product. In product, there is a option called sign in with LinkedIn. Just click on select. I have read and agrees to these terms. Then click on add product. Okay, so this is done. Now go back to auth. The very first thing you will see authentication key, which is client ID and client secret. So now go back to your platform. In admin section, there is an option called social media. Click on that. Scroll down. At the very last, you can see there is an option called LinkedIn sign in. Just delete the previously filled keys and put in the fresh one which we have just created. So copy this, paste it here and copy client secret again. And click on save settings. Now in order to test, let's try to log in using LinkedIn. So I'm gonna click on login with LinkedIn. Yeah. So my computer has already the LinkedIn information which I use to log in. So it directly logged in, accept terms and policies, and join soccer field. So that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you guys like it and have a better understanding on how to configure LinkedIn sign up on your website. See you in the next one. Bye bye.